Yo everyone, it's Jerky0Turkey here. Today I'm going to show you how to make my famous smoothie, and I'm going to show you all the ingredients, all the stats that you need to blend this delicious smoothie. First off, I'm going to start showing you what type of smoothie blender I use. I use the Oster My Blend. This for about $20–$30, and it's really all you need if you just want a personal smoothie blender. Had it for about 5–6 months now, and it's done me good. Next, I'm just gonna go step by step how I make it and show you the ingredients I use and how it goes. So right here, we're going to start off with a little bit of baby spinach. We're going to take this here, take the smoothie, and just want to grab a little bit of it, how much ever you want. I don't really use a whole lot, but just do one thing in there, maybe another little pinch. This is going to get you all your good vegetable nutrients that you need. That's maybe a little too much, but no, people don't like eating spinach straight up, so I put it in my smoothie just to get my greens when I can. Next, I'm going to take a banana. I only used about half of it here, so we're going to peel this banana. And I'm just going to take some chunks. Just drop it right in there into the smoothie. And I use a little more than half. I'm just gonna knock it down a little bit, make sure that's all in there. That's what we got so far. Then we're gonna take, you don't have to use berry blend. You can use like any type of fruit. If you want to use just strawberries, if you want to use like a tropical blend like pineapple, mango, mix it up. Do what you want to do, but this is what I prefer, just like a triple berry blend. It's got a little bit of blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. I'm going to take the smoothie, and I'm going to show you how much I put in. I'm just going to pour a little bit of this in here. Push it down. And so we got something like this. Then after that, a little bit more, just to neutralize that spinach taste a little bit. Next thing you're going to want to do is grab your milk. It doesn't have to be almond milk, but I think almond milk is the best for smoothies. So I'm going to take this and just want to get enough in there so when you're blending it, it makes it easier to blend the frozen fruits. And you're just going to pour a little bit of that in there. You probably can't even see that much. I spit a little bit, but pour that up there. And put the cap back on that. And then next up, you don't have to add these next ones, but I like to because I work out a lot, so I got this whey isolate protein powder, and usually if I'm working and stuff and lifting a lot of weights, and I'll do like 2 scoops, but for now, since I'm running out, and so I'm going to do 1 scoop of this protein powder here. I use chocolate flavor. You can use vanilla. Doesn't really matter. So I'm going to just drop this in there like that. And then, last but not least, again, you don't have to add this in there, but I like to. I'm just going to just top it off with some of this flaxseed right there. So I'm going to top it off. Not a whole lot. Add a little bit in there. And then I'll show you guys the blending process here. Get this out of the way. Just scoop this down a little bit here. I'll show you the blending process. So we're going to take our lid here. And then we're going to put that on top. And then you just flip it upside down. I make sure all this milk just gets near the bottom there so it's easier to blend. Throw it on our smoothie right here. Make sure it's locked in so you don't make a mess everywhere. And I just like to hold this here. Give it about a good 20-30 second blend just to make sure everything's nice and blended. Take it out of there. I'll show you guys here. And then you guys will get my reaction on how this is. So we're gonna open it up. Look at that nice color there. And we're just gonna, let's see how it is. So there it is, guys. That's Jerky0Turkey smoothie. Hope you liked the video. Please leave a like. Consider subscribing. Till next time, peace.